round and my bumbo clot yard. Jail me I come from last year, pussy. When me walk come round and my bumbo clot yard, me put me hand for my wife, Father God, me sorry. Come here, me sorry. Then top my woman care. Then top my wife car. So when I dent there, that's when I dent, when time I fling. When time I fling. So one more dent there, that's when time I fling, you can see sink. When I rain me there, no people. You see me? Some holy part that sink there on the car. The one the right there, so sink in. I mash up my wife car. Mash up my wife car. Lick my bumbo clot wife. Beat up my pussy clot wife. Mash up my bumbo clot car when my boy for my wife out there, so for she drive car around the place, youth. You see me? And people, watch you now. This up in August. This up in August. When after all is said and done, people, for me to sit down and talk, pussy you sit down and lie in my face, for me come beat up my wife, for me beat up my bumbuckler wife and could have go back to jail, mash up her car, all the sheriff then come for me out. All the sheriff them come for me out. All the blood clot sheriff them come for me. Me beat off my bumbo clot wife in here. Mash up her car. Because you sit down with your whole heap of friend and tell me lie. But how my wife come round there and discriminate me and deal with me out. We could have go to jail. Love my wife, love me. I grew on and my mother and me around there. When the sheriff them call me on the phone. And they must say, yo, where are you? And I tell them, yo, I'm there at Orlando. Because I'm giving Camille space. Remember now, are you make me put me hand on my blood clot wife because you sit down and tell me when I'm a face. Tell me, boy, yo, no girl can't deal with me, so you know. I can't believe so. Every day you have Camila praise on the internet and so she can this in front of everybody and that you forget. When you know I say a lie, you have blood clot tell for my wife. Me come round a big argument with Camille, mash up the wall of my house, mash up my wife's car, then you come on live. yo, Prettidon. You remember, me tell you, me think say you grow, they go thump the TV. Me think say you grow, they go thump the TV and thump the wall. Thump the TV and thump the wall. So you tell me a lie for my wife, so me can come round here and thump the wall and thump the TV. Oh, you mean so well, Anna? Good girl. I understand all the way you're going to say no, bitch. You think I don't know that stupid bitch? That hitting my wife that cool, dumb asshole? You think I don't know that stupid bitch? Why me never talk about it then, dumb bitch? Stupid clown asshole? Why the fuck me never talk about it then, my girl? Why me never come right there so I can say, yo, you know what I say? I not even thump my wife. Something will come in and I say, oh, you have to deal with me, so. So for your mate, for your fuck, me really and truly never thump her, me never box her, me never kick her. But yes, me hold her so. And me call that put it by hand span her. You feel me I deal with? Because I hold her like this. Me never thump my wife in her face, me never kick her in her face, me never do none of that. But what I did was also wrong. Because me come and me grab her like this. Me grab her like this, and I should have never do that. Out of the blood clot hearsay of a pussy. Damn, me not this my wife because I'm a friend youth. Me not diss my wife because I'm a friend youth. Me not diss her because I'm a friend youth. Me and her, when me come around here, me and her argue about it. You see me I deal with? It thing went left. Big argument. It thing went left, youth. Care mash up, bad man. You see me I say? Because you say, this is somebody where you rate, you don't expect them to tell you some blatant lie like them there. Me give her a headlock, which was wrong. And I got me thumb pad. Me come around here, I ask her why we argue, she drive her dog. You see me? I'm saying, yo, Jano, put her in her headlock. Me I say, yo, I talk to her and I say, yo, what I do? I say, oh, you fit diss me in front of them boy. You see me? I'm there, I'm a hold it. I'm not tell nobody on social media, brother. Because I'm not think somebody to come and tell nobody that. You see me? No, I know hear say, alright, that's why it happen around a film yard, me there when she come pick me up. Me see me misty, how you mean? Me know I'm wrong. But what I you say you have one friend where you say you're rate, you don't expect your friend to come tell lie by your woman like that. For you, in a yourself, no say yo, and that go on. So what me do? Me distance myself from your youth. Me distance myself from you. You see me? Me go stand distance and draw with myself from you. Nobody no see me around you. Me never say nothing. Me never come by yes or come ball like no girl. Me never come by yes or come ball like no bitch. And tell them what happened because me the day at me wrong to listen to a blood clot idiot. When my wife tell me, you tell a blatant lie and I say she come and she tell her say, where's Vanice? She said, tell her to hurry up because I got a client. You tell me, say my wife said, how long we sit down out here, so tell the stupid ass nigga to hurry up because I'm going to drive off. Then when we come out, they tell me, say my wife drive off. Then stop at the bumbuckler stop sign. Tell her friend to come in on my driver, in the passenger seat with me if you sit down and drive off and gone. And then, me there, I'm going to draw away, I'm going to hold it. I say, oh, I don't need to tell no bumbuckler body why I don't deal with that brother. You see me, I say? Me no need to tell social media why me don't deal with that brother because me did that on my wrong whole heap. Me did that on my wrong whole heap people come in and put Camille in a blood clot headlock. Me shouldn't come in and put my wife in a no blood clot headlock. Me, as we there in that argue, yeah, it went left because we there in that argue, everybody there on top of them vice. Be a thing start fling, car start mash up. I'm a distance myself, I'm there trying to fix my marriage, dog. And, you know, keep it off of social media and I say, you know what, just all go on, you know, match up my wife, you see me, I say, and just beg for her forgiveness and them little thing there. And just, because when I come out of jail, me look at my wife and say, Mother, never do it again. And you make me do it again. No, I know you. Make me do it again. Me do it again. Because me and my wife now go through them, sit there for me come from jail, you know. But you see what I notice with people, them like to come mash up something and then play a victim. And then go like say people have trouble them. Nigga, me not have time to come by here so come trouble you. You started with me. Out of nothing after you know what you do in my marriage. You see me? After me there in a jail, me come out, me I do better. Me talk to me bumbuckler to me say with your babes. Me not got you that I get me chick coming like a queen. Some would have never raised no fist here again and said him come in because of you. Put my wife in a headlock because of what you say. And your friend. Your friend. Yeah, we're not friend. So now, people, from August, me not deal with the brother. That is a clear indication why me not want to deal with you. You see, one time you ramp with my marriage after me come out of jail and I try to get back right with my wife. And at the first time that me come around your sign and a war would come, just because me come around you and your fucked up energy. Because you see, choose someone on a rate for no woman them. You see, choose someone on a rate for no woman them. Or no, we say anything for your next man go beat up and doing woman any kind of thing you. That's why Camille don't like you. If Camille see you 5 times in her life, she never touch you 2 times. Because she don't like you. My wife says she sick the parasite in you. You see me? One time you are going to look for me and tell me, say, Camille, come diss me up in front of you and the rest of them right here, so call me bitch ass nigga and pussy this and pussy that. What you mean? Me wrong for make an idiot get in my head because you ever tell people say you can't read. Now me feel stupid to make somebody without an intellectual bumbleclot meditation even come in on my bumbleclot head and tell me sitting about my wife when he even go so me and her can come round here and war. But me avoid you for the whole lifetime. Me avoid you. Me not look for you. You stay over there. Me not look at you. Nobody no know so me not like you right now. Nobody no know. Because me just sit down and hold it. Because as I say, me can't blame you for what me and my wife did go through after what you say now. Because that's all my fault. That's all my fault. For even believe, say the woman who me know say love me more than anything, would than do what you say. But why would you even have any blood clot intentions to even tell me that about my wife? When me know Camille not even like that. So I shouldn't even take it. But then me I look on it and I say, this is one you want to tell me a lie. Why would you tell me a lie? This I mean I say look like come and have a bad day. You see me? You look like come and have a bad day, so come and deal with me wicked. You see me I say? Watch you now. 3 days ago. I see world girl go up on the blood clot internet. Oh, this is something to put up some party, you know. The first time it did say Fort Lauderdale, now it's a Murmur. One people, me and the batty man and have no party I see him place. You hear me I tell you? Look up blood clot batty boy. Since you say you have a whole heap of secret for me, I can start. Because you talk about who a poop, who a toss, you know. You tell people say you buy a house, which is a lie. Tell them a for lease you live on. Because your name not even good enough if they in a blood clot foreign to get your own lease. Every day you get up and you talk. You suck pussy this. Your ex-girl did say that. Remember how your ex-girl and her family, them big old girl. Let me ask you a question. What can you say about me? What can you say about me? Because I never trust you with a deep dark secret yet. Because you know nobody fi tell blood clot secret. Because you come like a 1953 bomber clot fridge. For your blood clot dunce and want people for praise you for dunceness and not for a blood clot who are run back at him. Just as blood clot illiterate as this fucking fool. This bomber clot boy you gonna come tell me about him. This your boy girl not upon in level. Let me tell you this, me no want upon no level with no boy because me no compete. That's why me no run and that's why me stop play blood clot football. You want be the blood clot man upon the internet, take it. Pussy, everybody knows how you are the problem. Because everywhere you go, you create a blood clot problem, then you sit down and you play a victim. Yo dog, me can't believe that somebody, you say everybody bad mind. When everybody can look, always you sit down and play a victim and me and the rest of people them like me, Marvin, Stego vibes, the whole of them are we wrong, you know. Are you perfect? You are the blood clot one way. Yeah man, me a God. Boy, me no praise boy. You see the whole of the boy, them we have a ticklish blood clot face. With leaf in a little blood clot backyard, boy, me no run Batman joke. As much as me a sodomite, no boy can watch me sleep. Like you, every day you have blood clot man in your blood clot face a bus bump. Boy, you know, sister, you want big bumbo clot batty boy every day. You cuss me as a Saddam at the suck pussy. So what am I supposed to do? You know, sister, tongue me about me and me love Camila, she married to me. My blood clot are gonna name pussy. And ex-girl this, ex-girl that. Bumbo clot, you remember your ex-girl did a big pussy boy. Come tell the people about the house where you have round there. Say you're not even there for your own a bumbo clot lease because your name is corruption in a blood clot foreign. You can't even fix the bimmer we have in your yard when need a transmission. Boy, no rich. Oh, no rich, you can't buy a tire, you have to plug it. Oh, you're rich and you can't buy a transmission for your car. Oh, you're rich and you can't fix your credit. Oh, your blood clot rich and somebody else have a blood clot sign your lease. Oh, you rich when you can tell me, say, oh, you this your girl clown. Oh, true, you can get up and this Tina every day for be the man. Me now, if we idolize you, we get up and this your woman every day just to be the man. Oh, yo. Oh, me and she left when the woman still sleeping in your bed every night so you can get the little idiot. You made them with the whole heap of X if you got them crutches under your life. X. I beg so no bumbo clot Bex card through Instagram delete a look of blood clot 500,000 page. You come and take out your corruption and blood clot problem for me. So why if my bumbo clot party at December the 17th for Murmur Park with your pussy, me and your blood clot share bumbo clot fans? None of my fans them even like you. None of your fans them not like me. I mean not like them blood clot neither. Go suck your blood clot big pussy girl them when you have a blood clot road. You change girl after girl in a blood clot dance. You have to live with girl because a girl alone can blood clot help you. You live off a girl credit in a foreign boy. You are like a blood clot boy. Go show the people them feel title where you say your bumbo clot by us. You can't even buy a blood clot car battery. Much less bumbo clot by us in a foreign. Pussy have no credit in a bumbo clot foreign for boy. You boy have buy blood clot us. Nobody know you in a bumbo clot foreign. But you me a scare man, the whole of them want to know. Move, pussy, me know how it go already. People engage them like a stolen credit card that you got a machine go take you like a 10% off it. Move, batty boy. Get on a little jug of bumbo clot money, what you do? Go buy blood clot dear shoes and no clothes to go with the batty boy. That you do. Little pussy clot upcoming Mexican fish. Look like one of the Texas batty man them in a blood clot tights and long boot. Batty boy, every day you walk up this, me so wife my blood clot suck pussy. Hey boy, how much time you talk about you no fuck batty again? I'm in a business with you, brother. I hear cocky. You should be where you want blood clot should be youth. Man pedal and wheel in your bumbo clot batty walla who. I don't give a fuck about that. You say you no fuck man again. I don't know when. But if I did know or then, I don't give a fuck youth. That a your thing, pussy. Don't come pick up no blood clot problem with me. So you have your personal problem over there. I mean make Instagram delete your page. But man go build back your bumbo clot page. And you is a workless businessman. You wonder what you want to delete my big bumbo clot page. You see me give no trouble? Me no give no trouble or ask no batty boy if you no help. Because I always have my own back. Because I am my ribs, I am my blood clot back. Me! So me have this your page, that the page. So don't come over here so come take out your bumbo clot problem for me. Like a blood clot, pile drive, batty boy in a bumbo clot Texas boat. Look a pussy hole. Everybody will watch roommates can see say yeah, the blood clot problem. He's a bumbo clot disgrace of a pussy clot friend. You know what? Nothing good for people only your blood clot self. You want wicked black fire coal bumbo hole. Pussy. He's a big blood clot germs. Circle. Oh! Who you say you go circle? Hey people, watch out. Mama couldn't hear them friend you. I'm not going to hear them friend you down.
Rich Friday, call Rich Friday, you know. I'm telling you, you see me, I never friend Prettidon, I'm rated, I'm just pay to one man to come on here, yard, come pay your dog. I have a voice note in your phone to hear it.
Hey, batty man, circle who? You can't come tell me about me. You can't circle me, batty man. In pussy, you come a blood clot foreign and buy up some gun and have some whole heap of man around you now and feel like you bad. Batty boy, you can't run for my block. No day. Because me no show a gun. Me no have them the time the boy. I lock up pussy hole like you. Because the time when you come on the internet and bring down my name, why you never tell them say the sheriff call you? Eh? Boy, your blood clot rich. Rich what? And a thief G my money? G call me and I tell me say, you can't even pay for $150 for a man bag of blood clot weed. Why you rich? What part are you rich? Rich where? Rich people not live in a blood clot house so they own. You want nothing? You want blood clot nothing? Go buy the transmission for the Benz, rich boy. You know your blood clot white church out next shirt, them boy. What? Pussy hole. And go buy some clothes to go with the blood clot shoes them. Me have $10,000 worth of shoes and $5 worth of clothes. Go boy. And go buy some brief. Your brief then church out in a bumbo clot. You know your cowboy boot and blood clot tights. Why not feel wall your little blood clot man friend MC? Print out your little blood clot sausage. Move batty boy grace for sign you with your little blood clot sausage in your clothes. I feel weird to watch it. Oh me wear too brief. That's what me hold on you. Which hood? You ever have your stuff your blood clot front with socks? Because you're not blessed blood clot that's with your little 5 foot oompa loompa blood clot self. Oh, me for blood clot rare. You think I have this? Boy, me a 5'11". Me not even have to jump your knee in your face. I thump me thump boy like you want look a midget. Boy, I'm gonna suck out your big pussy girl them. Where you have a road where you clear up to say, me love Tina, but me and yam out that girl your vagina. Move your stinking blood clot for yourself. You tell we say you no fuck batty again and we no blood clot trouble you. Everywhere you go you make a blood clot problem. And then you talk about you gonna love about who a bad mind you. What nobody a bad mind you for? You not make no blood clot money off of YouTube, batty boy. Stop tell people boy you make money off of YouTube. Bitch, stop going like you make money off of YouTube youth. This a 4 day in a month, batty boy. This are the 4th day in a month, bitch. I saw me look, batty boy. You hear that? Bex your bex. Show me a chop same here. Even though them take on my big page. And you have you look 40,000 people in my Instagram now. And it burn you. It hurt you on a bumbo clot. Pussy go Billy back. Now you say you're the biggest blood clot thing and you're King Kong in the blood clot jungle. Move pussy hole and go from blood clot, yes sir. You don't want nothing. People need to know that. Little crash men say your bumbo clot by boy. You can't blood clot by carrying a foreign. You know no blood clot credit you. Answer till you can come right here so can show them people that your blood clot lease. You can go show them say, yes, my name there, but your name can't even go by your blood clot front door, batty boy. What? You think and dirty and frozen a blood clot. You never smell like cologne yet. You ever have on deer shoes and smell like baby sweat. Boy. Pussy hole drunk. You boy, you call people poop and toss and ray. The whole of the little hard bone them when you have each up in your body hole and make you feel like bad man. You have to have one amount of blood clot man and run round you to blood clot so you can feel good. The amount of beat where them blood clot beat you a Florida. Me don't know how you can bring badness to me. Them beat you a poolside. Them beat you every blood clot with the goons. And I tell you, say you can't come back a blood clot Fort Lauderdale. Everywhere, and me alone. You have blood clot strength for. But when time the man them beat your poolside for how much blood clot shot, kick up your bumbo clot and beat you like a girl, you never blood clot have strength for them. What you do? You go buy a blood clot gun and look like a retarded pitney with bumbo clot gun. Never kill a man yet. Never step on not even a mosquito when time wing their ground, brother. Not even that. And the man have as a beating stick in a blood clot Florida. Hungry thing he can get up and say, your ex-girl said this, your ex-girl. I remember how your ex-girl, my ex-girl can't come near out my blood clot batty hole. And me just done shit in my bumbo clot toilet. Sorry, me flushy. Sorry, me blood clot flushy. Boy, no rich and can't buy clothes. Boy, white shirt hate you. The white squall and the blood clot white shirt then get up in a competition every morning. All white squall want to come for your blood clot mouth to a white shirt married to your boy. Boy, I gotta take off a blood clot white shirt. Yo, me have one suitcase full of $15,000 shoes and be a white shirt over there. So you put Gucci with white shirt. You put Chanel with white shirt. Because you are using little blood clot claims a thief in money. You are not a thief. G want him blood clot weed money. When you go buy the man look a weed and you can't even pay for. You can't even blood clot boy every day on a rich way. When you look at 10,000 US on you use $20 buy off of Amazon. Them they are the real $100, you fucking idiot. And a bird now blood clot coming because this song is fucking garbage. I would never blood clot play that the song, and not even in my house, not even with them in my toilet to take a shit. Not even when me I take a dog bumbo clot shit, not even when I sit down on my toilet and I press out my body while I hardbone and kill me. I wouldn't listen to that blood clot garbage. Brrr, a man would have come in, girl a drop jaws, and you a drop brief. For man pushy and then cocky. That your blood clot though. Every day you get up, boy, sodomite this, sodomite that. Boy, go ring out your big chaka pussy girl them. I'm going to tell your bumbo clot woman about Tommy and tell her about the whole of blood clot them. Remember, I used to sell Tommy a dream. Remember, yeah, Tommy, me and Tina left now how much eat months every night and they over there. Eh? You know, tell them how much money you have to use and dash your belly back at Tina. Because you they out there fuck every girl around and tell them say you don't deal with your woman. All your woman should have poison your blood clot long time. Come around your yard and talk to Tina. Tina have to show me how much wall she have to use your head and clot out in there. She said, oh, I beat his ass. Me know say you beat him ass. Mama ross up your blood clot head in a wall around there. Beat up blood clot you. You can't bumbo clot about domestic violence because you are get domestic violence. You girl beat around like girl. Only on the internet you can come bad up blood clot people. You hung up on the blood clot internet you can bad up people with your little thinking blood clot self. You smell like baby shit. Pussy hole. Every day you want to talk about people like this, people like that with your fake hype. Move. You broke like dog. Tell people the truth. Me I make 5,000 and 6,000 a month off of Instagram alone and YouTube and them blood clot place there. If you not get ads, you're dead for hungry. And right now you hungry a blood clot kill you can then delete your blood clot page. You come boy you want pick for me. Go pick for your pussy clot dirty girl them where you have a blood clot near me in a fucking Florida. Pussy hole. You think I mean make nobody delete no page for your suck good in bumbo hole? You come boy, you want to come pick pan blood clot me. Go pick pan your blood clot, pick me them when you not mind. Bumbo hole. The amount of bumbo clot girl. Where you have boy, where you say, yeah man, me a woman, let pussy, let me tell you this. Don't come pick nothing with me, you. Go pick it with Instagram. Go pick with blood clot Instagram. Because you are sent threat to my bumbo clot life and every Friday you keep a party. All for my Friday day. How far my bumbo clot Friday there with your one wallop of broke blood clot hype and June is blood clot food, not even food in your blood clot fridge. Cause you can't bumbo clot cook. You live from phone box to phone box and plastic fork, bumbo whole idiot. And I mean you walk up this and I can talk about lesbian this, your ex-girl this. Why you? Your ex-girl what? How much man beat in a fucking no boy in a Florida can tell us that they have my dopey I walk around with. You amount of liquor you get from poolside to Miami to you can't even go back to fucking Florida. Right, and I wonder what you do in Florida. You shouldn't even live in Florida. You should live all the way of blood clot rare. Can't you look a page gone now you want to get back blood clot views. After you can tell how much in life on my blood clot wife. Make me come around here come be a fucking idiot. You want me to deal with you? Nigga go hang your blood clot self. And one thing none of you can get fed up. Ramp with me and my blood clot wife and me deal back with none of you. Go hang yourself pussy hole. Go hang your blood clot self with your miserable blood clot self boy. Me delete page for you. Don't pick no blood clot grade with me boy. Cause me tell you this. And the truth alone me come here so fi talk. With your little blood clot self thinking boy. Move! Cause me tell you this boy, if you not live good with your woman, me live good with Femi and me. We dead for Femi blood clot girl boy. So somehow you come a blood clot, bring bumbo clot ray and you come make boy. I come round here and act food to the wife boy. Suck your big pussy girl them you have in a Florida youth. And then you need to go sit down and tell your woman about what you have in your yard. The time when you sit down for the blood clot internet like one big mama lashy, you call you the hunger sissy. You're the hunger sissy when they're on the blood clot internet. As soon as you want nothing, you see you get up and you go, you do all of your friend them. Cuss with your friend them like one blood clad skettle. Me I wonder how your Marky and Shibada them are no blood clad friend yet and Batman them. The Batman them always a blood clad link. You want come over here so can link with blood clad sodomite. You're sodomite, but you suck pussy, so what me fi do? In pussy hole, how you want the link because suck off your dead blood clad hood where you have over there. Hey boy, your cocky are dead from the blood clot root and the girl them attack. Bumbo hole. Eh? Pussy, you want to come over here so boy you want this? Pussy me a big pH everywhere. Name your blood clot big hole girl them youth. Name them out. Skin them out and name them out. You should be a businessman, you fucking idiot. It pay for be done now, clown. It play for done now. Eh, clown? Eh? Now you have 30,000 pound blood clot YouTube. 40,000 pound gram and 8,000 pound Facebook. You're not big now. You're not big now. You're not big. But me not see you share my blood. What me I share that for? A song that? That a song? That a song? That a song? That a song? Me can go inside. And the people when you can tell about the little tree furniture them when you can count in your house. Your house are empty so till you use one room and turn in a one shoes room with 5 shoes in there. Them 5 shoes you have for 10 grand, you know. Move your bum buckle and go buy some clothes. Gucci for a white shirt and the neck then stretch out. But squash your 6 boss, him not even follow you. You know shame. How are you do hurt? True right now. Me still have blue sticky or follow. My brother, you know, get back up your thing, pussy me in a deal. Me will never deal you. Never. You see me? Me don't give a fuck who I watch. Me do this publicly because more you know pussy in a deal with me youth. You see me I say? Go find the darkest place and your big pussy girl and go live in that. You see me? Me you not good, me you will never good. Me you will never link. No love me because I not like you. No time. So no put out no love and no rare pussy. Because if you come. Because I'm ready for you. Because you want like a pussy. Remember that. You want pussy. You coming like a tampon and you drop out a girl bloody hole. You chop in a one corner, you like a short oompa loompa bitch. You coming like one of the little tampon them. And a girl hole you for stay. Go ahead. Bumbucklad, Lilliputian bitch. Bitch nigga at its best. Me know when you open for your blood clot boxers front, them is a big clit drop out. With your big clit where you have a fuck girl, cause you're a bitch. You're a bitch. When you broke Friday, you move your bum buckler, you look endorsement, bitch. You know see you big. You know see you big. Rise back to 500,000 now. Yeah man, we're the biggest thing boy. You and me bill foreign. You and me bill that one there. Ain't not nice of me bill you. A God bill me pussy. My gratitude for what? Nobody on social media don't know me because of you. Go find your girl them man and live in a them big hole man. That you fi do youth. Me don't know it because of you. Pussy me not no thanks to give you. Me give thanks to God. You are not God. If you are God for your friend, you are not God for me. You're a regular bitch to me. A regular blowing walking sodomite bitch for me. Me a sodomite, you a sodomite because you love talk like sodomite. You're a bitch, you're a sodomite. Big old sodomite. Everywhere you go, you bring problem. But he at 7'6" everywhere. Because of you that. You have to be the blood clot king of the jungle everywhere your blood clot. Hey! Hey! Yo! Me there! Me there! Oh, there! Oh, there! Yeah! 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 Like a fucking idiot. Nigga, you a mascot, bitch. You ain't no comedian, you a clown. You a clown. Comedians talk for their shit. You can't talk to make me laugh, bitch ass nigga. You a fucking clown. A clown is different from a fucking comedian. You have to dress up in a paraphernalia. And you hold up a blood clot woman tights them and cowboy boots to go wine for your Batman friend them. Yeah. Somebody know the blood clot you want come for me about. Huh? Yeah! Yo! I'm here to make a step by Instagram! I'm here to make it. You big no ass? You big no ass? How much excess you under here, sir? You there? How much excess you over here, sir? Pussy me run medias. You run a media. And you lose, not me. You never have no business mind. You say me dance for life. And me gonna thief people things. And me gonna thief weed. And me not gonna play about the money for him weed. James still aware upon him weed money. Go out there. You take him man them weed. I hide him man them for months now. Are we rich? Oh, we rich. Me never see rich people do them sit there yet. Me see people, rich people do charity. Me never see you give back to the poor yet. Me remember one time, I think give money for give away, not even give a soul. So fucking hungry. And that name the whole of blood clot eat. You know, as the money come, box food. Me glad me never reach yet. Me glad me never reach yet. Me not get none. You see what I say? No, man, you're alone underneath here with that, my friend. You know nobody over here, son. Over here, say you know nobody. Nobody over here say not carry or bring you. You can bring your shit that way. You feel like we are dealing with medias who run you. And you're alone over here, sir. You're coming like Mosky. You are running, you a track star, run back over gram. I'm going to sit down over blood clot and wait and make sure it's over the pack up. Where? Batty boy. You want to rain, you know? Rain, rain, go away, come again, someone. I be a sticky. My fans, them have to use because I'm always correct. You always have to use X because you always blood clot wrong and dunce. And them they alone full up your blood clot book. I like the one, oh this, what, Jovia? Jovi? Move your bumbo clot, I don't know. I be a wrong when you see the phone of blood clot book them. When me I go to school, I be a 90% and 89% and 100% me I get something. Never see one X yet. So me no bumbo clot put up them the paraphernalia them for my blood clot sitting. A sticky we work with. From once you have an X on the side of your name, mean you have AIDS. A sticky say you're good, you're good, you're good, you're great, you're great, you're great. Move your bumbo clot, don't sell for yourself. You don't like bumbo clot markup book. Boy, you come in like a bumbo clot book where not even start a fucking heading yet, boy. Boy, and move your blood clot. But don't sniff spear, don't your bumbo clot. Don't swear. Boy, you can't even read the name on the back of one blood clot bull and know if it name because of you. You will see it and you say, yes, if you name for bull, you're idiot. You're idiot because I can't see my name on bull and name it. I mean, name Vanice. You're idiot. Move your blood clot. You see now X over here, so sticky we work with, Batty boy. Sticky, 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 sticky. Be your blood clot X now, no look up blood clot book them because I'm so glad if your blood clot done. No CXC, no nothing. Move thinking mouth boy. My mother tell you in a 9th grade me do literature. 9th grade me do CXC literature to read the book called To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird is a book that you should read because you know, well, if people don't know, say it's against the law to kill a mockingbird. Yeah, boy! I'm me a general. Boy, you want blood clot. Yo, Eric, set more right at all times. Sticky, you fuck. Be a sticky. Be a sticky. Sticky, sticky. See, when you're looking at your book, me in love with sticky. Be a sticky. Me also count sticky in my book, you fuck. Go sticky. I say, yo, I say, count, I say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go sticky. Go blood clot sticky. You have to have sticky. Because if you put X on your hole, your pussy thinking up. Any girl with an X side of the name or a whole Ramstead. Because when you see X side of nothing, you know that marks danger. Pussy they stink and Ramstead. Cocky they stink and Ramstead. A sticky we work with, man. Who want to see positive result? I want to negativity. Who no grime with negativity of all the things that you don't come up with all you know old negative sitting X. Negative. Who no finish minus. Sticky with them, my friend. Minus X. Them now wrong bang in a school, my father. You see me? You have to have sticky. A be a sticky in a book. When you look, you see sticky, you fuck. When you're looking, you say, bomb clan, go sticky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're more sticky again. More sticky again. Look up. More sticky again. More sticky. More sticky. You have sticky? How much you have? 34. What? 20, 21, 22. How much you say you have? 31? 32 sticky. A wrong bang on the name in a blood clot life. Wrong bumbo clot bank and you can never write. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Oh, more sticky every day of my blood clot life. As me wake a sticky. Yeah, man. More pussy. A long time I want to beat you. From August I want to beat you. You think me done with it? Eh? And the wrong way you come, pussy. I'm going to show you that. You come the wrong way, you know. I'm not top beat you. I come kiss a till. You broke like dog every day. You come here and say hype. Come on. Remember, you know, I give you 2 days to allow me, you know. You don't allow me. All when I make you sheriff, then call you, you still don't allow me. You say, you see, true, me done put the right in a me on already. Me put the right in my blood clot on already, you know. And me give you a warning for allow me and you not allow me. Brother, me say the sticky gang. You are your X factor, they can go over there, so go resurrect your page like Jesus, bitch. You know, see what I take for my blood clot big page. You see me did run take, I know Jesus. I went to the Almighty. Me fast and my blood clot pray. And you know what? God did done tell me if I have my back already. So me have 60,000 a gram. Me have 60,000 over here, so I still have my wife. Yeah, baby? Come here. Come here. Yes, sir. Boss. I'm a sticky boss. You know, see me just sticky. I'm me a world boss. I'm a world boss of vlogging youth. You hear me? If you never know, my general follow me. Vibes Cartel follow me. All Nicki Minaj follow me. They follow you? No? Okay. Pussy, stop hating and be a bitch. You come the wrong way. Oh, me go come and me go beat all of them. I go and tear you apart on this blood clot. Ramp with me. Ramp with blood clot, me dunce boy. Ramp with me. Ramp with me. But me don't know what me do, you know. You know what I say? Me from August in a day. Yeah, pussy. You come cause problem in my house, but go around and beat up wife, alright? You pussy, the things that me don't go look for you and call you a friend again. Nigga right now never get licked by a car. Only thing me have to say a condolence. That if your funeral, me no want to go youth. Who you man? When you can't say on a friend, what kind of friend you no be? No, nobody. Nobody youth. Nobody wanna be. You see me? Because one thing with me, from me say you're my friend, me deal with you like that. Me no come and me no fabricate lies and me no tell lies. And me no cause problem in your house. You can deal back with me. Boy, I go flick off our roof and make sure your neck no come up back. I want to tell you.